recipe is one of my absolute delicious recipes. We'll keep it simple and tasty. Hey guys, I'm Chef Wainaina. Let's do this recipe together. So friends, what makes this dish simple and delicious, it's one pot cooking. Once it starts going, simmering, you can sit down, just come back occasionally, give it a stir, and after about an hour and a half, you have yourself a delicious dish that is stretchable. All you have to worry about are just the sides that you can put together to go with it. So friends, for this recipe, I'll be using about 6 pounds of stewing hen. This is called kienyeji chicken in Swahili. I also have some sliced onion here. I have some tomato puree. And then on this side, I have my usual cilantro stems, cilantro just for garnish, some spices here, garam masala, coriander, cumin, chili powder, paprika, turmeric, ginger, garlic. These are some curry leaves. I have 1 lemon, definitely salt and pepper, my cooking oil, and then I have some Worcestershire sauce. I can't cook without that. And then I have some chicken stock. Into this heated large pan here, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and start browning them. Season these onions, salt and pepper. So after about 6 minutes, our onions have gotten some color. I'll go in with garlic, ginger, give this a stir, and let them release their flavors. I will leave all the amounts for the ingredients in the description box for you. I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of coriander, teaspoon cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon turmeric, and a teaspoon of paprika for color. Give these spices a stir. I'm going to add about 2 cups of tomato puree. I'm going to cover this, cook for about 3 minutes to bring all those flavors together. This sauce is coming together very well. So this is all the base for our flavoring for the chicken. So once we put the chicken in here, it's gonna start absorbing all these flavors. And it's just ready for that. So in goes all our chicken, seasoned with salt and pepper. Give it a nice stir to mix everything all together. Once all the chicken is coated by the sauce, I'm going to put the lid back on. Cook this for about half an hour, constantly stirring it to prevent any burning at the bottom of the pan. So this chicken has been cooking here for about 45 minutes. So it's starting to caramelize. So now add the cilantro stems, some of these curry leaves, put the lid back and have it continue cooking. This chicken looks so good already, but has some time to go. So now I'm going to add about 2 cups of chicken broth, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm gonna bring it back to a boil and then simmer it on very low now for about another 45 minutes, all until the chicken is fully cooked through. This looks so good. So this chicken has been cooking for about an hour and a half total now. It's all cooked. You can see the drumsticks here, they are pulling away from the bone. So that's a good indication that the chicken is done. This is almost going to be table. What a perfect dish to make on a weeknight. Splash some a good amount of cilantro here. I'll give it a squeeze of some lemon juice. Keep everything a stir. So friends, this is one of those dishes. Just serve it on the table just as it is. Let everybody dig in. The chicken is just delicious. It's cooked nice and soft. If you do meal prep, this is one of those dishes that you can do and save in the freezer. For me, there's no better way to enjoy this dish than the traditional Kenyan way. Chicken, ugali, and sukuma wiki. Get some chicken here. Some of this delicious sauce at the bottom of the plate. Some more chicken. If you want, you can add some lemon juice. I don't need any. Cilantro, as always. And there you got it, my friends. Stewing chicken masala, sukuma wiki, and ugali. For ugali and sukuma wiki, check my recipe. Up there, I'll leave a link on how to make those two. They are Kenyan classic. This is traditional Kenyan comfort food. You know what? Take this chicken right here, give it a bite, see how we did. Then always, this one, you don't need a fork, you don't need a spoon. This is finger food par excellence. So you want to come in with ugali, sukuma wiki, get some of this sauce. So friends, there you have it. In an hour and a half, you have this delicious and easy to make comfort food that you can do any day of the week. You put this food on the table, a Kenyan family, the debate is always about, is it ugali or rice? Make a big batch of this dish. You can save it for the week and you have yourself a delicious dish that you and your family will definitely enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember to subscribe to my channel and I can't wait to see you in the next one.